Alright, I'm at my storage unit and I'm just sorting through stuff and I'm finding some doubles to bring to trade night. A lot of stuff in here that it will never be for sale unless I pass away and my kids go to sell it. This is a perfect example of that. It's a short card VW, the custom VW. This one unfortunately is not one of the ones with the opening hood. This one does not have an opening hood, which is weird because this is the exact paint job that tends to be the one with the opening hood. But this one only has one headlight, which is, to be fair, this is a fairly common error on these. Essentially the casting lacks enough metal being extruded into it, what's the right word, injected into it, to fill up those little cavities with little bug-eye headlights on these. But anyway, I think that's kind of cool. This is a casting that I want to show you guys something really wacky. So this is a casting that I was not even really paying attention to. It was that cement gray that is all the rage past few years, and it was a Panamera, which is not, to me, a real Porsche. It's a front engine goofball thing. But over the course of just a couple of weeks, a few years ago, I found two errors. So this one, if you look closely, not only is it a not painted wheel on this one, actually that is the only thing. I thought there was a couple of other things. This one just has a wheel that's not painted up front. Wait, there's no chrome on the wheel. This one is really wacky. Let's check this out. This one has no greenhouse. See the windows? The greenhouse on this one? This one has nothing. It's missing. And I've only found a few of those over the years. And of course, because the headlights are formed on a lot of these Porsche casting specifically, and to have the headlights formed from the greenhouse, there's no headlights either. So I think that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can spot a couple of other errors here. This one is just really missing paint. It's real degraded. Show you a couple others. Oh yeah, this one is really crooked. Look at this thing. I know I'm not the only nerd out here that gets into errors. There's a lot of people into them, but I like to think of myself as I have a lot of them, considering I don't pay for them. I don't pay extra for errors from other people. The errors I have, almost all of them, I found. This is just kind of a goofy one. The headlight strip is interrupted. I forget what this one is. Oh yeah, this one's just missing a lot of the tampos. So it should look like this. Looks like this. I wish I had a regular one to show you. Upside down Porsche, does that even count? I don't know. Look at this one. This one's wild. It's like it literally got tampoed like 5 times. Just goopy, thick icing levels of paint. This one, on the other hand, what was this one? Hold on, let's take a look. Wrong wheels, maybe? Oh, nope, blowhole in the roof. Another fairly common thing. This isn't actually even a hole, it's just it's got a little belly button. What we got here? This one didn't get riveted right. As you can tell, that's not right. Alright, do a couple more of these. I gotta get going. I don't have time to do too much of this today. I'm not sure what the deal is. Oh, yeah, this one, everything's kind of crooked. You'd have to see a properly tampoed one. But see, like the Hot Wheels logo does not line up with the outline for the Hot Wheels logo. It's actually really way off. This Hot Wheels logo has basically been applied crooked. In the red is fine, the black is way off. I think that's a good one, to be honest with you. I think that's a pretty good error. What's this one? Oh yeah, this one's missing, or no, it's just really crooked. The Cyclo Runner. It's supposed to be like this, and it's totally, the blue is way off. What else do we got? Alright, bone shaker that has double tampos, I think. or just really crooked. Alright, one more. Check out this Volvo. Once again, really, really crooked. What's up, guys? Do you like Hot Wheels cars?